It's late February. No, it's middle of February. And this is my new little houseplant collection. Begonia, money plant. I like these two so much. Basically, I've given no thought to these guys all winter. That's the Purple Emperor sedum, and looks like it's doing okay. Sprouting new stuff. These guys don't look so good. You know, got a lot of rain. So yeah, I'm not really sure what these guys are gonna do. Should I cut them and just let new plants grow? I'm not really sure. All right, let's go down to the garden. So I just did my first pruning of the new year. This is the state of things. I haven't touched this stuff. It seems like this year I'm getting a lot of forget-me-nots. A lot of forget-me-nots growing. It's kind of a mixed blessing because the seeds get all over the place, and when my dog runs through them, they get all over her fur. This is the, what is it called? Mono lavender. Mind. These guys have gotten so big. I love them so much. I have 5 of these. I planted 5 of these last year, and there's another one back there. And they're so big and bushy this year. They've like quadrupled in size. Let's see what else is going on. Gosh, I can't even remember what these guys are called. What are these called? Epimedium. I don't even know if the watering system is working. I haven't even tested out the watering system yet. This morning, just a few minutes ago, I pruned back these fuchsia a little bit. What is this called? Oh my gosh, my mind. Agastache Golden Jubilee is already leafing out pretty strongly. There's another baby one, and these guys reseed so much. I bet I'm gonna have like so many of those. Last year I had a lot of little seedlings. So this is another Agastache, a coral, kudos coral, and it's leafing out as well, which is a good sign. These guys, I love these guys. I think these are licorice plant, and these guys are looking strong, but look at those gray things. These were the ones that last year they looked so wonderful, and I decided to split them and replant them, and this is what happened. So I think I'm probably gonna be pulling those out. I cut back this is the bog sage. I just cut it back a little bit just a few minutes ago. Look at that. That's gonna be humongous. It's like doubled in size from what it looked like last year at this time. And I think I'm gonna have to dig it up and divide it, or else it's gonna be crazy. It's gonna take over the whole bed. And I never did post the fall cleanup video that I did last year, where I decimated this hedge, this whole wall of shrubs here. I cut it back really drastically and made it look horrible. And it still doesn't look great, but I do see new growth. So that's a good sign. But the reason I had to cut it back is because these plants are growing, especially it's a lady's bank rose, which grows huge. It's probably too big for this area that I have it planted, and it's planted right next to a lemon tree. It's just, this whole side is not climbed out very well. But it is pretty, and the lady's bank rose is actually blooming a little bit too early. It's not acting normal because of the weird pruning I've been giving it. Yeah, it's not looking too bad. So this is the state of affairs. Anyway, I planted a lot of stem cuttings and they root so easily. I can plant these in the front of my house maybe. See how they do up there. Those are sedum that didn't do so well last year, but we'll see how they do this year. This tree's growing, looking a little bit bigger than last year. That's the cherry tree in mid-February. I think it blooms around March or April. Here's Frankie.